Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change a blog post date on Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on Squarespace 7.1. Click to open the Pages panel from the main navigation in your Squarespace editor. Once the Pages panel opens, you'll see your site structure with all your blog pages listed. Click on the blog page that contains the posts you want to change. The side panel will update to show a list of all your blog posts. Hover your mouse over the post title in the side panel. You'll see a three dots icon appear. Click on those three dots. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Post Settings window. In the Settings window, click on the Options tab. You'll see the post's current status and publish date and time displayed here. Click on the Status field. The Status section will expand, and you'll see a calendar interface with the current publication date and time controls. Use the calendar to select your new date. Click the left and right arrows on the calendar to navigate through the months. If you're going back or forward by several months or years, you'll need to click through month by month. There's no quick year selector. Once you've selected the date, move to the time field below the calendar. You can type the time directly into the field to set the exact time you want. Click the Save button. You'll find this either at the top right or bottom left of the settings window. Once you save, the post will reflect the new publication date. Keep in mind that blog posts on Squarespace appear in reverse chronological order, so changing the date will move the post to a different position on your blog page. If you're backdating a post significantly, be prepared to click through the calendar month by month for distant dates. That's how you change a blog post date on Squarespace.